How to use the Alabaster paint color in your home. One of the popular colors is the Alabaster paint color. Almost every paint color company has an Alabaster color in their paint collection. Many home decor and home furnishing companies will also use the Alabaster color for their product designs. Everything from furniture, vases, lamps, mirrors, and ceramics will use an Alabaster color. What is the Alabaster paint color? The Alabaster paint color is one of the oldest and most popular paint colors used in home decor. With its subtle yet classic white hues, the Alabaster paint color is a timeless interior color. The Alabaster paint color is an off-white color with a hint of gray added. The color gives an understated sophistication to any space. All major paint companies have an Alabaster color. The Alabaster paint color is available from all major paint companies. This makes it an accessible and popular choice for interior walls and home decor products. It also shows what a classic and popular color the Alabaster color is. Here are some of the major paint companies that have an Alabaster color in their collections. Benjamin Moore. Benjamin Moore has several Alabaster colors, including Alabaster Color 876 and OC 129. Both are great classic Alabaster colors. Sherwin-Williams. Sherwin-Williams offers a variety of Alabaster colors. Two popular Alabaster colors include Alabaster White and Alabaster Cream. PPG. The paint company PPG has a variety of Alabaster colors and can help you match any other Alabaster color from other paint companies. Behr has an Alabaster color, BXC62, and other similar white Alabaster colors. Valspar. Valspar has a classic eggshell Alabaster and some other Alabaster and white colors. Almost every major paint company has an Alabaster shade in their collection. Most companies have 2 or more tones of Alabaster. This shows that the Alabaster white color is a classic white color. Using Alabaster as a wall color in your home. We love the Alabaster paint color for the walls of any home. It is a great color as it is not a bright white but still gives a great white look. The fact that most Alabaster colors have a gray tone to them means that the Alabaster has more of a gray Alabaster tone. Alabaster and home decor products. Many product design companies prefer the Alabaster color instead of a basic white or off-white color. This is because they know that the Alabaster color will be able to go with many other home decor and interior design products already out in the market. The Alabaster color is popular as it is one color that continues to stand the test of time and never goes out of fashion. The Alabaster paint color is timeless for any room, home, decor product or interior space. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. To find out more about how Mondoro can help you create, develop, and manufacture excellent home decor and furniture products, don't hesitate to contact us at sales@mondoro.com. To know more about us, check our social media below.